Welcome to Guide to Fluency. Today we're covering our top apps for learning Italian. Whether you're hoping to pick up some Italian for an upcoming trip or trying to reach a high level of fluency, we're going to help you find out which app will help you on your language learning journey. We also have a detailed written review over on our website in case you need more information. All you have to do to get there is Google Guide to Fluency Best Italian Apps. To begin, let's cover two options for more casual learners. Maybe you're getting ready for an upcoming trip to Italy and want to learn some basic phrases and vocab to get you around, or maybe you want to get fluent but can't commit to an hour or more a day of learning. In these cases, we recommend Babbel and Rosetta Italian. The best one for you depends on what type of learner you are. Let's talk about how these two work to help you get an idea of which is right for you. First up, Babbel Italian. Babbel focuses on practical language use, perfect for travelers or those with limited time as the lessons are only about 10 to 15 minutes long. The app offers short, interactive lessons that fit easily into a busy schedule. It's user-friendly and effective for building a basic vocabulary and understanding of the language. They incorporate small grammar lessons and speaking practice that measures your pronunciation. All within a concise lesson plan you'll have little issue jumping in and out of. Next up, Rosetta Stone Italian. This app is great for visual learners looking for a bit of immersive learning, as Rosetta primarily relies on image-based lessons with little English direction. Like Babbel, they have a solid framework for taking you from the beginner level up to an intermediate level, but in slightly longer 20 to 30-minute lessons. A usual lesson consists of matching a written or spoken phrase to a corresponding image with occasional speaking exercises that offer a little more feedback than the simple pass or fail exercises that Babbel has. So if you don't have a set timeline to reach fluency or just want to pick up some useful phrases for an upcoming trip, these two apps should work well for you. Plus, both of these apps are on the more affordable side, with Babbel Italian coming in around $8 to $15 a month, and Rosetta Italian just a couple dollars more at $10 to $15 monthly. You'll need to find discounts and promotions to knock the cost down, so check out the description below. We'll paste any links we can find down there for you, and keep that updated whenever they roll out a new promotion. Now, if you're serious about learning Italian, maybe for work or for a certification, let's talk about two more apps that can help you achieve a high level of fluency. If you fall into this category, we recommend Pimsleur and Rocket Italian. Pimsleur focuses on auditory learning and is perfect for those who prefer learning on the go. The app emphasizes listening and speaking, which helps build a natural conversational flow. It's great for busy people who can listen to lessons during their commute or want to pop in their headphones and get things done around the house while the audio lesson plays. They include plenty of supplemental activities to round out their program like speed games and flashcards, but the strength of this course is definitely audio lessons, which develop your ear for Italian. They also recently rolled out a voice coach tool that we really like, and it's more akin to the Rosetta voice tool I mentioned earlier. Our other choice here is Rocket Italian. Rocket is actually our overall top choice out of all these apps for reaching a high level of fluency, and this is for a few important reasons. First, like Pimsleur, the heart of the program is their 30-minute audio exercises, where an English-speaking moderator takes you through an Italian conversation. Next, like the other apps, they have a variety of practice exercises that attack the material from multiple sides. But Rocket takes their lessons a step further by offering in-depth grammar and cultural lessons to help build your understanding of the language. Rocket also offers a Google-powered voice recognition software, which is our favorite tool for perfecting pronunciation among all of these different apps. Unlike most other apps out there, Rocket takes speaking practice a step further by letting you participate in practice conversations using their speech software. Most other speech tools we tested just teach language chunks without any context, whereas these complement the interactive audio lessons by keeping you speaking and simulating conversations beyond those audio lessons. So while these two apps might seem similar on the surface, we think Pimsleur works well as the immersive option, while Rocket is the most well-rounded program, thanks to their grammar lessons and impressive use of quality speech tech. As far as pricing goes, Pimsleur doesn't cost much more than casual learning apps at about $20 a month for their subscription. They aren't as good about discounts, but they offer a 7-day trial that can help you test the waters before you fully commit. Rocket, on the other hand, mainly offers one-time payment options that can get costly. However, Rocket is probably the best about running discounts among all these apps, so check the description before buying. We regularly find the program for up to 60% off. Before we wrap up here, I wanted to mention Lingopie as a great supplement to any of these apps. It takes a video-based approach by curating films and shows for you to watch and be able to hear how people really speak the language. Lingopie also has a feature that allows you to click on a word or phrase in the subtitles and breaks it down grammatically for you. It's a great program that lets you expose yourself to real conversations in an entertaining way, and it's affordable at just $6 a month. Now, let's recap. For more casual learners hoping for an immersive visual learning experience, we'd recommend Rosetta Stone. Their image-based lessons let you focus on digesting the language intuitively in 20 to 30-minute chunks at an affordable monthly price. But for you immersive learners hoping to reach a higher level of fluency, we like Pimsleur for their engaging audio lessons that keep you practicing speaking. If you're looking for something casual that's more robust on grammar instruction, we like Babbel, thanks to their quick 10-minute lessons that present you with a variety of lessons to stay engaged. Our top pick overall is Rosetta Italian. It includes everything you could need, from engaging audio lessons that prompt you to participate, concise grammar, and culture lessons that help flesh out your understanding of Italian, and our favorite speech tool. And don't forget Lingopie as a valuable supplemental tool to boost your listening skills at just $6 a month. Now, before I let you go, I wanted to mention that we're on a mission at Guide to Fluency to help 1 million people learn a second language. As part of that goal, we give away 1 free language learning subscription every month. I'll put all the details down below in the description, so be sure to check that out. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Ciao!